Tired of scrolling through hundreds of irrelevant eBay listings? Learn how to use advanced filters to find exactly what you want in seconds. We have all been there, right? You type in something simple like vintage camera, and then you are drowning in broken junk, overpriced listings, and results from halfway across the planet. It is exhausting, and it wastes so much time. In this video, I will show you the exact steps to access and apply eBay's advanced search filters. I am going to walk you through this step by step. This is a system I have used for years to cut through the noise, and I promise by the end of this, you will be saving time and finding better deals almost instantly. Let us start at the very beginning. Head over to eBay and type your search term into that big search bar at the top. It does not matter if it is a specific phone model, a rare book, or a piece of furniture. Just type what you are looking for and hit enter. Now, the results page loads up. This is where most people get stuck. You see a huge list of random items, and it feels overwhelming. But here is the trick. Look just above the list of items, usually on the left-hand side or right below the search bar, and find the button that says All Filters. Go ahead and click on that. A big side panel will slide out, and this is the control center. This is where the magic happens. The first filter you want to set is usually the price. Why start here? Because it immediately eliminates everything you cannot afford, or everything that is too cheap to be real. Set your minimum and maximum price. If you're looking for a laptop, maybe set a minimum of $200 to skip the broken parts listings, and a maximum of $500 to stay in budget. Next, scroll down a little to the condition section. This is a lifesaver. If you need something that works perfectly, select New or Used. But here is a pro tip I always use. If you are buying something slightly older or collectible, selecting Used often shows you the best value. You avoid the overpriced new stock and the broken junk in 4 parts. Just be specific about what condition you are willing to accept. Then let us narrow it down by brand. If you already know the brand you want, select it here. This is super helpful for things like electronics or tools. It will instantly cut out all the knockoffs and generic options that just waste your time. Now, the really good stuff. You can also filter by location to find sellers near you for pickup, which saves on shipping. You can filter by listing format to see only auctions or only buy it now listings. And if you are in a hurry, the Returns Accepted filter is a game changer. It means you only see items from sellers who are confident in their product. Once you have selected all the filters that matter to you, scroll to the bottom of that side panel and click the big blue Apply button. Give it a second to process. Look at that! Your results are completely transformed. Instead of a chaotic mess, you have a tight, focused list of exactly what you want. You are no longer wasting time. But what if the list is still a little too long? No problem at all. Just open the All Filters panel again, add another condition, or tighten your price range by just $10 or $20. I find that narrowing the price down to the exact sweet spot usually cuts the list in half instantly. It is all about layering those filters. And here is the absolute best part for repeat shoppers. Once you have dialed in the perfect search, look for a link or button that says Save this search. Click that. You can name it something easy to remember, like My Leather Jacket. eBay will then email you whenever a new item matching your exact criteria is listed. You do not even have to search anymore. The deals come to you. And that is really all there is to it. You went from being overwhelmed by random results to having a surgical tool that finds exactly what you want in seconds. Next time you are shopping on eBay, take that extra 30 seconds to use the filters. I promise it will save you hours in the long run. Happy hunting!